happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 4 of your class 8 English grammar, that is the pronouns, kinds of pronoun. So let's begin with this lesson. Pronouns क्या होते हैं? They are the words used in place of a noun. जो ये words होते हैं जो हम noun की जगह पे use करते हैं to avoid the repetition. So while we speak or write, it is better to avoid repeating the same word. हम repeat करते हैं same word को, बहुत अजीब सा लगने लगता है, awkwardness आती है. It orders to avoid repeating the same noun. We use some other words. A word used in this place of noun is called pronoun. जो noun की जगह पे use होते हैं words, उनको हम noun pronoun कह देते हैं. Read the given sentence below. My mother is in the kitchen. She is preparing lunch. It will be very tasty. Kalidas was a great Sanskrit writer. He wrote many plays in Sanskrit. So in the above sentence, certain words are underlined. कुछ words आपके underlined, जैसे my हो गया, she हो गया, it हो गया, he हो गया. So ये क्या repetition आपका खत्म कर रहे हैं. So they are my, she, it and he. So these words are called pronouns. ये words क्या है आपके my, she, it और he क्या है आपके pronouns हो गए. So they are used in place of other words. Nouns की place of other words की जगह पे use कर रहे हैं, noun की जगह पे use कर रहे हैं, कालिदास की जगह पे हमने he लगा दिया. So thus pronouns stands for nouns to avoid repetition. Repetition खत्म करने के लिए pronouns होते हैं. Now there are 9 kinds of pronoun. First one is personal pronoun. Second is possessive pronoun. Third is reflexive pronoun. Fourth is emphatic pronoun. Fifth is interrogative pronoun, जिनमें questions put up होते हैं. Sixth is demonstrative pronoun, this, that, these, those. And seventh is indefinite pronoun. Eighth one is distributive pronoun, and the ninth one is relative pronoun. So first let's talk about personal pronoun. ये क्या होते हैं? A pronoun that stands for a person or thing is called personal pronoun. जो pronoun किसी person or thing के लिए stand करते हैं उनको हम personal pronouns कहते हैं. Personal pronoun are of 3 types. 3 types के होते हैं: first person, second person, and the third person. So first person, the pronoun which refers to the person or person speaking are the first person, as I, we, my, our, me, us. ये क्या होता है आपके first person है जिनसे हम बोल रहे हैं. Second क्या होता है, जिस जगह the pronoun which refers to the person or person spoken to, जिनसे हम बोल रहे हैं. First person तो होता है जिसके बारे में हम बोल रहे हैं. Second होता है जिनसे हम बोल रहे हैं. Second person, you, your, yours, your, three. Third क्या होता है, the pronoun which refers to person or thing spoken of, जिनके बारे में हम बोल रहे हैं. The third person, he, she, it, him, his, her, it, they, them, their. Now possessive pronouns क्या होते हैं? जो possession दिखाते हैं, ownership दिखाते हैं. Like a pronoun that shows possession is called possessive pronoun. कि ये चीज उसकी है. Rahul's, Anita's, Amita's. Like the books in the bags are mine. Mine क्या हो गया आपका? मेरी है ना, तो mine हो गया आपका possessive pronoun. The books on the table is yours. ये तुम्हारी है. Yours आ गया ना, तो this is your possessive pronouns. In the above sentence, the word mine and yours are the examples of possessive pronouns. ये किसके examples है? Possessive pronouns के examples हैं. We call them possessive pronouns for 2 reasons. 2 reasons की वजह से कहते हैं possessive pronoun. First, they refer to some person or persons or nouns. Secondly, they are generally used to show possession. Generally use हो रहा है possession दिखाने के लिए. Possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives क्या होते हैं? This is not my pen. My is new. ये मेरा पेन नहीं है, मेरा जो है new है. So in the first sentence, my क्या है आपका possessive adjective हो गया, और second में क्या हो गया आपका mine क्या हो गया possessive pronoun हो गया. Mine stands for my pen, so it is a pronoun. So the following table shows the possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. Possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Here pronoun आना है यहाँ पे. So first person in mine, singular mine हो जाता है. Second में क्या होता है, सॉरी प्लूरल में क्या होता है, आर का आर्स हो जाता है प्रोनाउन में. यहाँ पे प्रोनाउन आएगा. सो सेकंड में योर का, सेकंड पर्सन में योर का योर ही रहता है. योर का योर्स रहता है प्लूरल में. थर्ड पर्सन में हिज का हिज ही रहता है. हर का हर्स हो जाता है. प्लूरल में देयर का देयर्स हो जाता है. नाउ रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस क्या होते हैं? Noun in which the action of the subject reflects or turns back on the subject. जो action होता है subject को reflect करता है, turn back करता है subject पे ही, itself is called reflexive pronoun. Like वो खुद को ही injured कर लेता है. Like I injured myself. We have come here ourselves. अपने आप जो चीज होती है उसको हम reflexive pronouns कहते हैं. She blamed herself for the mistake. You hurt yourself. He solved his problem himself. They will enjoy themselves. So The words myself, yourself, ourself, himself, herself and themselves क्या examples है reflexive pronouns के? They are so called because they substitute for nouns and the actions reflect back upon the subject. जो action होता है reflect back करता है किसपे? Subject पे. In other words, the action of the verb returns to the doer. जो action होता है verb को return करता है इसपे वापस से doer पे ही आ जाता है. The subject of the and the object of the verbs are the same person or thing. Same person or the thing or the subject or object. In other words, we can define reflexive pronouns as. Other words में कैसे define कर सकते हैं? The self pronouns are called reflexive pronouns. Self pronouns को हम reflexive pronouns कहते हैं, like yourself, ourself, myself, herself, himself, themselves. When they are used as object of a verb and when they refer to the same person or thing as the subject. Object और subject दोनों same चीज ही होती है, तो क्या होता है? रिफ्लेक्सिव होते हैं. सिंगुलर और प्लूरल में क्या होता है? पर्सनल और रिफ्लेक्सिव में पर्सन में पर्सनल और रिफ्लेक्सिव में क्या होता है? सिंगुलर में और प्लूरल में फर्स्ट पर्सन में पर्सनल में होता है आई, रिफ्लेक्सिव में माई सेल्फ, वी प्लूरल में आर सेल्फ, रिफ्लेक्सिव में हो जाता है प्लूरल में सेकंड पर्सन इन सिंगुलर, पर्सनल विल बी यू एंड रिफ्लेक्सिव विल बी योरसेल्फ. प्लूरल में पर्सनल में यू एंड योरसेल्फ रिफ्लेक्सिव. थर्ड पर्सन में ही, हिमसेल्फ, शी, हरसेल्फ, इट, इटसेल्फ इन द सिंगुलर नाउन. एंड द प्लूरल नाउन दे विल बी, दे का क्या हो जाता है? देमसेल्फ हो जाता है रिफ्लेक्सिव में. नाउ एम्फैथेटिक प्रोनाउंस क्या होते हैं? A pronoun used to convey emphasis is called emphatic pronoun. जो emphasis convey करता है, like the self pronouns of another person too. They can be used to put emphasis. Emphasis put करने के लिए use होता है subject or the object पे. The father himself killed the snake. Emphasize on the subject farmer. I met the officer himself. Emphasizes on the subject officer. Emphasize किस पे कर रहा है? Officer पे या फिर snake पे. So farmer पे, like when the self pronouns are used in this way, they are called empathetic pronouns. जो self pronouns किसमें use होते हैं? Empathetic way. इस way में use होता है, उनको हम empathetic pronouns कहते हैं. Thus, the self pronouns are called empathetic pronouns when they are used to emphasize the subject or object. जब emphasize करते हैं subject और object को, तब इन्हें empathetic pronouns कहते हैं. How to recognize the reflexive pronouns or an emphasis pronoun? कैसे recognize, कैसे पता लगाएंगे इनको? We notice that reflexive pronouns and emphasis pronouns are identical in form. Like, then how do we find out whether a pronoun has been reflexive pronoun or an empathetic pronoun? We should try to understand their function. उनके function समझने पड़ेंगे. Our reflexive pronouns are the question whom. A reflexive pronoun क्या आंसर करता है? Question whom. किसका? Like an emphasizes pronoun lends emphasize. वो emphasize lend करता है. Like I blame myself for my failure. So blame whom? Myself. तो क्या गया? Reflexive हो गया. The word myself has been the reflexive pronoun. Ajay, are you sure the door was locked? Anu, I myself locked it. So nobody else about, but I locked the door, so I know it was locked. Here the word myself क्या है आपका? Has been used for emphasizing pronoun. Emphasize कर रहा है कि मैंने खुद से कर दिया है. So now let's talk about interrogative pronouns. जिनमें questions put up होते हैं. Words which substitute or nouns and ask questions are called interrogative pronouns. जो words क्या करते हैं? Substitute करते हैं nouns को और ask questions ask करते हैं, उनको हम interrogative pronouns कहते हैं. Who is making the noise? Which seat would you like? What do you want for dinner? Where do you live? Whose is this house? Question marks are in. So this is interrogative pronouns. Now in the sentence given on previous page, the words who, which, what, who, where are classed as pronouns because they are interrogative pronouns. Pronouns क्यों कह रहे हैं? क्योंकि वो क्या interrogative pronouns है, as they used to ask questions. क्योंकि वो क्या पूछ रहे हैं? Questions पूछ रहे हैं. Demonstrative क्या होता है? जो demonstrate करता है, this, that, these, दो, ये वाला, वो वाला. Like demonstrative pronouns are used to point out the object or objects to which it refer. Point out करने के लिए object को कि या जिससे वो refer कर रहा है. Like this is an interesting book. This जिसे हम touch कर सकते हैं. These are nice shoes. जिन्हें हम touch कर सकते हैं, उनके हम this और these use करते हैं. That और those हम जो दूर होती है चीजें उनके लिए use करते हैं. That is Rena's house. Those are his books. So in the above sentence, this, that, these, those are pronouns. ये क्या है? हमारे pronouns है. क्योंकि because it is used in place of noun, they are called demonstrative pronouns. इसलिए noun की जगह पे use होता है. और demonstrative pronouns क्यों कहते हैं? Because they demonstrate or point out person or thing. ये demonstrate कर रहे हैं या point out कर रहे हैं किसी person को या फिर किसी चीज को. this and that are used in singular number and these and those are in plural. This or that singular में, these और those क्या plural में. This and these refers to the things near at hand, जो हमारे बिल्कुल हाथ के पास होती है. That or those जो things हमारे से lie कर रही होती है दूरी पे, जो distance पे होती हैं. Now demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. Look at these examples. This is my bottle. So this stands for noun, bottle. So these, therefore it is a pronoun. ये pronoun है. This bottle is mine. So this qualifies a noun bottle. Therefore it is an adjective. So the जो noun आपका adjective noun आपका आता है demonstrate करता है मतलब verb से पहले आता है तो क्या होता है आपका वो क्या होता है adjective होता है. So there are woolen gloves, demonstrative pronoun. These gloves are woolen, demonstrative adjective. Now we should remember that an adjective is usually placed just before the noun. हमेशा adjective कहाँ placed होता है? Noun से बिल्कुल पहले placed होता है. So adjective place है noun से बिल्कुल पहले तो क्या होता है? Adjective हो जाता है. So indefinite pronouns क्या होते हैं? Indefinite pronouns are those pronouns which refer to person or thing in general way. जो person or things in general way में refer करते हैं. Like they do not refer to any particular person or thing. Particular person or thing से refer नहीं करते. General way में बोल देते हैं ना. Some are born great. Many were invited for. मतलब कुछ group के लिए बोल देते हैं ना. One cannot believe your version. All are not rich. Do good to others. None of the books is interesting. Anybody will tell you a way to the post office. Somebody ate my sandwich. Every day enjoyed the concert. Everything went wrong last night. So ये क्या है आपके indefinite pronouns है. Now in the given sentence the words some, many, few, only, one, other, all, others, none, anybody, somebody, everybody and everything refers to person in a general way. Refer करे इस person से general way में like they do not refer to any specific particular person और किसी specific person or thing से refer नहीं करे. We do not know exactly which person or thing thing has been referred. कि हमें नहीं पता कि किसी particular person or thing से ये refer कर रहे हैं to by the indefinite pronoun. Therefore they are called indefinite pronouns. इसलिए हम इन्हें क्या कहते हैं? Indefinite pronouns कहते हैं कि हमें definitely नहीं पता कि किससे refer कर रहे हैं. So here is a list of indefinite pronouns. Anybody, everybody, nobody, somebody, come, one, anyone, everyone, no one, come, someone, many, all, anything, everything, some, nothing, something, few, others, none, several, both, each, either, neither. So now let's talk about distributive pronouns. Distributive pronouns are those which show the person or things are taken one at a time or in a separate group. So एक ही बार में एक ले ली गए हैं या फिर separate groups में like each boy was given a prize. Distribute कर दिया ना, each boy हर एक बच्चे को prize मिला. Neither of the keys open the door. इनमें से कोई भी की नहीं और मतलब हर एक चीज को point out कर देते हैं इसमें हम. Either of two roads reach to the airport. Now each refers to two or more person taken one by one. Either क्या होता है मतलब one or the other, या तो इनमें से कोई मतलब इनमें से कोई. So neither क्या होता है negative में हो जाता है either का. Now in the above sentence the pronouns each, either and neither refers to number of person or thing. किससे refer करते हैं? Number of person or things से refer करते हैं एक time पे. Such pronouns are called distributive pronouns. इन pronouns को हम distributive pronouns कहते हैं. In fact there are only 3 words in English: each, either or neither. They are called distributive pronouns. खाली 3 words English में either, each, either और neither यही होता है distributive pronouns. These pronouns are always singular. ये हमेशा singular होते हैं. As such are always followed by verb in the singular. किससे follow होता है? Verb से follow होता है singular में ये. Now distributive pronouns and distributive adjectives. When distributive pronouns qualify nouns, जब distributive pronouns क्या qualify करते हैं? Nouns को qualify करते हैं. वो क्या बन जाते हैं? Distributive adjectives बन जाते हैं. Each boy won a prize. There are shady trees on either side of the road. He has 2 sons. Neither son is honest. Now let's talk about relative pronouns. The pronoun whose, who, whose, whom, that and which join 2 sentences. जो 2 sentences को join करते हैं refer back to noun. वापस refer करते हैं noun पे तो going before them. So they are called relative pronoun. उनको हम relative pronouns कहते हैं. Like read the given pairs of sentences. I met Ramesh. Ramesh stood first in the class. I met Ramesh. Who stood first in the class? Refer कर रहा है उससे, relate कर रहा है. We met a woman. Her son was given a reward. We met a woman whose son was given a reward. The lady is my aunt. You met the lady at the door. The lady whom you met at the door is my aunt. So I know the hostel. He lives in the hostel. I know the hostel that he lives in. So Chandra has found the purse. She had lost the purse. Chandra has found the purse which she had lost. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.